The Samsung Galaxy A30s comes with a 6.4-inch Infinity V display that gives you an immersive viewing experience. It also features a 7.8mm slim 3D prism design with glossy pattern on the back panel. The phone is available in Prism Crush Violet, Black and White colors. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM that allows for easy multitasking. It also features 64GB and 128GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 512GB to store all your pictures, videos and movies. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Samsung Galaxy A30s comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Super AMOLED Infinity V display that lets you watch videos without distractions. It also comes with on-screen fingerprint scanner with Knox technology that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. The phone has a 25MP plus 5MP plus 8MP triple rear camera with a 123-degree ultra-wide field of vision. It also features a 16MP front camera. The phone runs on Android operating system. The Exynos 7904 octa-core processor provides smooth and efficient performance. This phone is powered by a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 15 watts fast charging technology. The box includes handset, earphones, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin and user manual. The Samsung Galaxy A30s comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.